Yo guys, what's up? Today we're talking about how to get free golds in Age of Origin. As you can see, this application Age of Origin++ is already installed in my mobile devices. To get free golds, all you need to do, you must enter amount of gold as you want. So I entered this number, and this video tutorial I will show you step-by-step tutorial how to get this application and how it works. Okay, press next, and now as you can see everything is already generated. So way to finish this process. After complete, our account will be open and everything will be generated, and look of this, everything is worked. Now I get free golds in Age of Origin because this application is already working for Android or iOS devices. So how to get this application for your mobile devices. Okay, this is last step. Application is already installed in my mobile devices, and now I get Age of Origin++, and this application works for Android or iOS devices. Enjoy and thank you for watching.